I know a lot of people are still struggling to make money with CPA marketing, and I'm going to be showing you in this video how you can generate earnings like this in just 3 days, even as a complete beginner. I'm going to walk you through the whole process step by step from start to finish if you follow me till the end of this video. And if you are new to the channel, I make videos about how to earn money online, and if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You would definitely find other interesting videos. So basically, I'm going to show you how to use this website called Tryinteract.com. So basically, this is a website that allows you to create interactive quiz that can generate you leads or sell products. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use this quiz to generate leads in your CPA account. And also keep in mind, you can use other CPA network like CPA Lead or OG Art. Is basically up to you to use whatever CPA network you feel like using. All right. So you want to go back to tryinteract.com and you want to create a free account. So to do that, all you need to do is to click on this, create a quiz right here. So before you create an account, you want to come over to this feature section and you want to click on quiz templates. So once you do that, you will be brought to this quiz template. As you can see, they have templates from various niches like animal, art, automotive, blogging, beauty. You can name it all. They have so many niches right here that you can use to generate leads for absolutely free. So now once you click on create a quiz, so once you create your account, your dashboard is going to look like this. As you can see, these are templates that you can use to start generating leads for absolutely free. And like I showed you earlier, if you come back to this quiz template, you can also see more templates from this page that you can use as well. So basically, I'm going to be taking the animal niche as an example. And if you scroll down, you are going to see a lot of templates for various animals that you can use for absolutely free. So I'm going to take this one right here as an example that says, can you name this cat breeds? So if I click on this template, as you can see, all I just need to do is to click on use this template. So once I do that, it's going to bring me to a page that looks like this, and you want to click on clone this quiz. So once you do that, you are going to see the questions that they will be asked in this quiz. As you can see, there are about 7 questions inside this quiz. So basically, you can click on this setting icon to remove any question that you want in this quiz, and you can click on this create new questions if you want to add more questions inside this quiz. And also, if you click on this results section, this is what the participants of this quiz are going to see, irregardless of whatever answers they might have chosen in this questions section. All right. So basically, they will all be brought to this result page. As you can see, this is what they are going to see once everyone has completed the quiz. All right. So here, this is where you are going to be adding your content locker link. All right. So before you add your content locker link, you want to come over to this website, freeplrdownloads.com, to grab a free PLR product or ebook that you can use for absolutely free, and you can give it away without having any copyright issues. Once you come over here, you want to type in a keyword relating to that niche. So since we are using a cat quiz, so we want to look for a cat ebook that we can give away for free without copyright issues. So as you can see, this one here says training your cat. So all you just need to do is to click on this ebook, and keep in mind, I am only using this as an example. So you want to click on download, and also keep in mind, you can use websites like idplr.com to find more PLR products that you can use for free. All right. So you can see these are some of the PLR products available on idplr.com. And all you just need to do is to click on download to get it as well. So once you've downloaded your PLR product, you want to head over to this website called easyupload.io. So basically, this website allows you to upload files and share them for absolutely free. So all you need to do is to click on this section, and you'll be able to upload the PLR product you just downloaded from freeplrdownloads.com or idplr.com. So once you select the file, all you just need to do is click on upload. And as you can see right here, it has completely uploaded. And this is the link you are going to be pasting in your content locker. So once you copy the shareable link, all you need to do is to come back to your Cpagrip account. So basically, you want to come over to the monetization tools. And once you do that, you want to click on create a new locker. agree to terms of service, and you want to click on continue. So basically, once you do this, you want to give your locker a name. All right. So once you're done, you want to come over to the template section and you can select any template of your choice right here. All right, so I'm going to be taking this default template as an example. So once you do this, all you need to do is to come to the locked URL and you want to paste in the link right here. So once you paste in the link, you are basically done with your content locker. All right, so basically you want to change this text right here as well. So you want to change it to something like get access to CAT training guide now, complete one offer below. But keep in mind, you can come over to the advanced section and you can select the number of leads that you want your visitors to complete. So once you're done and once you've created your content locker, all you just need to do is to click on save. And once you do this, you want to grab your content locker link and you want to copy the link. Then you want to come over to a website like cut.ly or rebrandly.com. So basically this website allows you to shorten any link. So you want to paste in your content locker link and you want to click on shorten. So once you shorten the link, you want to copy the shortened link, then you want to go back to this quiz, and this is where you are going to be pasting your content locker link in this call to action. So you want to click on this URL and you want to paste in your shortened content locker link and you want to click on save. So once you click on save, you can also change the call to action by typing in something like get access. And once you do that, you want to also change this text right here. So basically you want to type in something like click here to learn how to train any cat breed. All right. And you want to click on save since this quiz is about different types of cat breed. All right. So basically you want to correlate your call to action to whatever quiz you are working with. So once you're done, all you just need to do is to click on publish and you want to click on publish changes. And from here, you are going to be given your quiz link and all you need to do is to click on copy to copy the quiz link. So basically, I'm going to paste the link in a new tab. As you can see, they will be brought to this page that's going to ask them, can you name this cat breed? So if they click on find out and if they click on the answer, regardless of whatever answer you choose, they will be taken to the same final page. As you can see right here, click here to learn how to train any cat breed. You can see right here, there's a get access button. And once they click on this, as you can see, it's going to bring them to the content locker page. So basically, this is a very simple strategy that you can use to generate leads in your CPA account. Now I'm going to show you the perfect traffic source that you can use to generate leads using this quiz template. So basically one of the most powerful traffic source you can use to generate lead is social media platforms. So basically an example of one of the best to use is Facebook. So you can come over to Facebook and you want to type in cat lovers. So once you do that, you want to click on this group right here to filter to only group. As you can see, there are a lot of Facebook groups dedicated to cat lovers on Facebook, and these are thousands of people that you can target and make them complete those quizzes and generate you money in your CPA account. All right. So I'm going to be taking this group as an example. So you want to basically join this group. So as you can see, I just joined this group right now. As you can see, joined right here. Okay. So once you do this, the very simple thing you want to do is to basically look at the group and see if people are engaging in that group. As you can see, this group is a very high engaging group. This person posted this post just 14 hours ago. As you can see, the engagement is super high. You can see over 75 comments on this post. All right. And most of these people are from tier 1 countries, looking at their names right here. Okay. So basically, this is how I do it and how I get leads from tier 1 countries. And now what you want to do from here is to basically come to the write something section. So you want to type in a post like this. We all know how much we love our cats, but who can answer all these questions correctly? Let's see who the real cat king or queen is. And you want to paste in the link to this quiz right here. As you can see, this link went through without problems. And all you just need to do is to click on post. People on Facebook are very active and they like to give their opinions as well. So basically, once they click on the link, they will be taken to this page. So once they click on access to get this free training, they will be taken to this page where they have to complete any of the CPA offer. And once they complete it, they will be taken to this URL where they can download it for absolutely free. So basically, you don't have to use this group alone. Like I showed you earlier, there are a lot of Facebook groups that you want to join and do this strategy. So basically, the more groups you do this, the more money you are going to make. And keep in mind, you don't have to use the animal or the cat niche alone. As you can see, there are so many niches that you can do this as well. So basically, this is one of the easiest strategies that you can use to make money with CPA marketing as a beginner. And that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value, of course, please drop a like on the video. I really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.